If you want to speed up your workflow in Krita, one of the most useful things you can learn is how to duplicate a layer. This is great for making copies of artwork, testing different edits, preserving your original layer, or creating quick variations without starting over. In this video, I'll show you the fastest shortcut and the menu method so you can duplicate layers in Krita with confidence. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Krita tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. The quickest way to duplicate a layer in Krita is with a simple keyboard shortcut. First, make sure the layer you want to copy is selected in the Layers docker. Once it's highlighted, press Ctrl J on your keyboard. The moment you do that, Krita instantly creates a duplicate of the selected layer. You'll see the new copied layer appear right above the original, and from there, you can move it, edit it, or transform it without affecting the source layer. This shortcut is especially helpful when you want to work fast because it saves you from having to open menus every single time. If you're doing digital painting, this can be useful for duplicating line art, shading layers, texture layers, or even effects layers. It's also perfect when you want to experiment with changes but keep a safe backup underneath. Now, if you prefer using the interface instead of shortcuts, Krita also gives you a simple menu-based method. Look over to the right side of the screen and open the Layers docker if it's not already visible. In that panel, find the layer you want to duplicate, then right-click directly on that layer to open the context menu. From the options that appear, choose Duplicate Layer or Mask. Krita will immediately create a copy of that layer for you. Just like with the shortcut, the duplicated layer appears in the Layers docker and can be edited independently from the original. This method is great if you're still learning Krita or if you simply prefer using menus instead of remembering keyboard shortcuts. One thing to keep in mind is that duplicating a layer is different from merging or flattening it. When you duplicate a layer, you are creating a separate copy, which means you can continue editing both layers individually. That makes it much safer for non-destructive editing. You can duplicate as many times as needed, rename the copies if necessary, and organize them into groups to keep your project clean. So whether you use Ctrl J for speed or the right-click duplicate layer or mask option for convenience, both methods will help you work much more efficiently in Krita. Once you get used to it, duplicating layers becomes one of those small but powerful habits that can really improve your workflow. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Krita tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.